guys, welcome back to a video. We got this box right here, and it has it should have my tripod in it. Okay, this is for my dad. He plays tennis. Okay, let's open this up. I'm putting off my phone right now, so. Okay, let's see. How do we get this open? Ooh, cool. Okay, how do I open this? I'm having a hard time. Okay, there we go. Does this side do the same thing? Yep. Okay, guys. Okay, we got one side open. Get this side open right here. Okay, both sides are open. Okay, come on. Oh, geez. Okay, there's that, so it should be right in here. Oh, there it is. Okay, hold it down. Oh, a couple pieces just fall on the floor. Come on. Ooh, it's already looking good from right now. Okay, let me set this on the floor. Ooh, that looks kind of cool. Put more parts, put all this stuff back on the bed here. There's this stuff. That. Okay, that's a part. Ooh, remote control. That's cool. More parts. Is there any more stuff in here? No, okay. I'm gonna pause the video just so I can get settled and stuff. And yeah. Guys, hi. Cool. So this is it right here. It's not paired with this. It's not paired with that. But this is what it is. It's like that. I can't get it all in one shot. But then it goes up here, and then you put your phone right here. So what I'm going to do now is I can't record my phone because I'm recording off of it. But I'm going to pair this with my phone right now. And then that's how I can just press one of these buttons. I'm not sure which yet. And it'll start recording off of that right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that to record off of this. So when I press this button, it'll start and stop recording. Watch. So it's about to end now. I'm gonna push it. That's awesome. It just did it, and I did it with this. Guys, that's so cool. Oh geez, look at him. We got a Union Pacific. I got my tripod right here, but I wasn't able to set it up. Oh boy, this guy freaked me out right here. There's literally nobody stopped at this crossing. That's funny. Okay. Now we're gonna do some trucks. Hi guys, we're out doing trucks and I got my tripod set up. I see another one, but I'm not going to record all this. Okay. Yay! Now more trucks coming. Nice. Got one. Okay, we got another truck. Truck right here. Yeah. Get him. Come on, please do it. None of them. Dang. I mean, both of those look really cool and stuff. None of them look different. Come on. Okay, we got another truck right here. Another one all the way down there. Okay, here comes. Nice. Okay, we got another truck coming. This guy does. Oh, he did it all the way down there. Man, nothing happened. Okay, we have another truck right here. Go for the one behind us. Okay, there's one more right here. That sounds like a train. He's all the way down there. Bro, that's my first train horn. Like, actual train horn on a truck. Okay. cool. So we got no truck. Corn, but he did it. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. We got Union Pacific, another one. Let me move my. That's fine. See you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.